Hey guys, welcome back. It's been a little bit since I uploaded. Now, if you met from the Nerf 2-minute Nerf board that you saw that I posted a few weeks ago, that right after I was supposed to upload a review on a new blaster that I got. Now, it's not. You may have just saw bits of it. You may have saw it, may have heard it. Well, I did a bit of paint job to it, not much. So it's the Mega Cyclone Shock. I did a bit of blue, bit of black damage, stuff like that, which is pretty cool. Now, the main reason well, this video is for a few things. Right after this, oh, before I continue, there we go. Before I continue, in the description or the first comment, whichever I decide, will be a link to my new channel for vlogs, and I discuss a bit of it in the review with this one, which will be posted later on, probably tomorrow. I don't know. So today is my vlog days, which after this video I'll be making that. So yeah. So not tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday. That just gives you a hint what today is, Thursday. I'll be at Brick King's place, or Charlie, who you have seen my first Nerf war, the most screwed up Nerf war entitled, which was awesome. But this time I'll be at his place, so hoping to make a few Nerf wars and Brick King. If you watch or watching this, be prepared, and you can, if you want, start preparing your loadout for the war, and even get, if your brother is available and everything, get him set up. This is my loadout that I'm gonna take. We're gonna start off with a few things I'm gonna bring. We'll get to the guns in a bit. So this is my book bag for school. Okay. Tomorrow when I get home, all this school stuff be placed somewhere on my bed. Everything inside, because this is where I'm going to be putting my guns, and makes traveling easier. So, yep. Get. So, clothes. When it comes down to it, I will be wearing jumpsuit, military-ish pants. Also doubles as shorts. Pockets. Be wearing that to hide little pistols. Underneath will be either an army shirt or plain green. Now where is it? Nope. That ain't it. Sorry, I have something in my eye. I don't know what. With my marine sweatshirt. Now it depends on whether I wear that or not. Then either my camo or this hat here, which this probably matches more than that, to my Viper hat. Quick interruption. Can't wait for this game, November 3rd. Call of Duty World War II. Thank God. I was so tired of the futuristic crap. The Black Ops 3 was good. I do give them that. It wasn't too futuristic. But Infinity Warfare? Ugh. I was so excited for that game, then it was okay. Not my favorite game. Anyways, then I got these. I wear my dog tags, which is a tag, which is in here. I just heard it, I think. Okay, so anyways, dog tag, wherever how can I put it. Now on this channel, I try not to cuss. I think in one of my train videos I did. Sorry for those. My vlog channel, I just keep it real. I just go for it. Now, F-bombs, I try not to do, but I'm just going to give a few examples. So, sorry if you hear like hell, shit, simple things like that. So, now, like I said, my other channel, it's just gonna be real, keeping it real. So we come in here. Now let's get into the loadout, shall we? What we got here? This side is much better. Stupid paint chipped. I'm gonna take this apart. So let me do that. Okay, so of course you got the blaster itself, the actual thing, the Recon CS6, the original, as you can tell. Now I have it styled as an AK-47, which, by the way, is not my favorite gun. I prefer the M16, but it makes it cool. I just wish I had a banana mag, but whatever. Got the barrel, the flip sight, which I don't usually use during war because one, it's stupid and it's looking, or if like, you're already looking over the barrel, you flip that up. You're looking at the top. Your aim is way above than what you want. Then you got the stock. Now on here, got a flashlight to be tactical, and then I have like a padding of duct tape right there, camo underneath, and then like a book cover type of thing, small one, just wrapped around for comfort and a big tactical. Next, can't forget the big boy. You see why there's a face on that dart, and there's two more. Not on this one, just one. So I got that. Now, I have been thinking a good bit. Oh, hold up. My flip clip or mag. Yeah, it's a mag. System, painted it brown, other than where it needs to be. Now, there's times that I really hate this, especially with the one if it's upside down, because darts will come out, and that will go to the Raycon. Just to give it that epic effect. Oh, ow. Can't forget the jolts. These will be in my pockets or on my book bag if I use it during the war. Got another one in there. Now, the Maverick. I'm bringing it, but to be used, no, because one, it's just too cool. Plus I want to show it off. So, and also did the darts to it, so yeah. Now what we got in here? Stupid stuff. I got the bomb. I don't know if I'm bringing it. I might, I may not. Got the jolt as well. I have a thing of what? I have Mentos? Nope, darts. Gotta keep them hidden now. Birkin, don't you get any funny ideas. I may bring a few of the AccuStrike darts. I have found that the darts themselves are better without this stupid thing. The thing is still a pretty cool design, but top loading, no. And you get 6 darts, but only room to store 2 and then 1 up there. Stupid. And the darts actually don't do all well because of the barrel doesn't do much. Now, the strong arm. Yeah, this is coming. You know why? Because it's strong, it's awesome, it's accurate. For most of the time. Notice I say most of the time. Then I also have this. This one may or may not. I like it because it's light. And it's pretty easy to load and everything, but... And then I may be very... So, a lot of people say it's a nerf order, don't bring other companies. Well, I may have to bring in a Boom & Co. Halo style Magnum. This is awesome. I did a bit of paint work to it, as you can tell. Even an ammo count, which I know in the game usually doesn't have that. But I might, mark my words, might bring that. Now, that being said, during the video that's made, there's 3 darts with faces. Now, here's the thing. This is a challenge for you, the viewers. I'll give you the sort of easy, which is only one of them. Let's make a dart, and it's a face. When it's fired, you have to see if you can spot it. Or if it's lying on the ground. Like if I notice if it's like that, I'll do that on the ground. But you have to spot it. I'm not going to be going, you know, have it faced up like this, running. No, that's just stupid. Then the next 2, got an elite dart, the shock face. Now, firing this, you will not see the face unless if it's, you know, the camera is aimed at a good angle. Then got a modulus anchor face. The darts are good for the Raycon, that I've noticed, because the elite darts for some reason don't like the Recon as much. They jam. So yeah, that's pretty much my loadout. So we got, now for the actual thing, boom, 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 then the jolt. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them or so. So this one I may bring, I may not. But if I do bring it, not gonna be used. I just like it because it's awesome. Like, this is probably one of my best paint jobs I've done. I actually used spray paint, then my modeling paint. Just awesome. That one took a whole week to actually get every bit painted. And you can see that it's coming off, and it's not the cheap paint, obviously. It's pretty reasonably priced, I know of. So yeah, that's that. So that's pretty much my loadout. I'll see you guys later. The next video should be the review, unboxing review of this. I'll see what all I can do. And link to the vlog channel. First comment, or yeah, we'll do first comment. Okay? So, thanks for watching. MJB Films, signing off.